The 993-60613/380000151 timing toolset is engineered to deliver exact alignment and locking for Iveco Cursor 8, 9, 10, 11, and 13 engines. During timing procedures, even slight misalignment between the crankshaft, camshaft, and fuel system can result in poor performance, increased emissions, or serious engine damage. This OEM reference toolset eliminates guesswork by securely locking components into their correct factory positions, ensuring accurate synchronization throughout the service process. Built for professional diesel technicians, it provides repeatable precision for rebuilds, timing adjustments, and gear train service.
Buy now at apexins.com. Apex Tools, built for real technicians.